Today is Monday, August 3rd, and yesterday I showed you guys walking down Avenida Comercio, headed westbound. Today I'm headed eastbound, and I'll show you some of the things that are towards my location. This is a little taco stand, Tacos Arabis. That's kind of a big deal here in Mexico. I think it was brought by the Lebanese, and I haven't eaten there yet, but I'm gonna have to check them out one day. It smells delicious. Oh my God. Yeah, that might be dinner tonight. Check out this house across the street. They got the gate open. First of all of that is the house. And so the gate is open. Let's see if I can get you down a little bit. Yep, that's one house. There's like 3 houses on this street. They'll take up the whole block. There's another. Try across to this house. Now I see that something other than the wall. So again, this is Avenida Comercio. And I'm walking towards Colonia Benito. Alright, so I'm coming to the main intersection. This is like one of the main intersections in the city. This is Colonia Paseo Montejo and Avenida Comercio. This building over here, it's like they started it last year and they still haven't opened it yet. Right now it's showing a advertisement for Sana, which is the garbage company. One of the cool, interesting facts about Mexico is that they pick up garbage 3 times a week. Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And for the year, the cost of the garbage pickup was $64 for the whole year. Oh, there's a bus. So, I don't know if you saw it across the street. Let me see if I can flip over there. But beside the brand new office building that they just built is Krispy Kreme. So you'll probably see that first. Straight up Krispy Kreme, like back at home. So there's a Krispy Kreme. All right, so I'm leaving the pharmacy. I had some issues with my Rappi card, so I need to go and see if it works in the ATM. If the ATM doesn't take it, then I gotta replace it. I think they may have implemented new rules tonight because all the restaurants that normally would be open are closed, which is crazy. So we might be in like a real lockdown again, which would suck big time. All right, so let's see what's going on with this Rappi card, and then figure out the rest. All right, so I'm not sure if you can see ahead, but we got Sam's Club ahead, the Honda dealership, and also Beeps. Across the street is a McDonald's, Burger King, and the Home Depot. So I'm gonna walk over to my boy Ron's house really quick, say hello. This is the original El Montejo. It used to be, this restaurant used to be the biggest TGI Fridays in the world, I think. Someone told me that it holds like 800 people. But the story goes that they were the busiest TGI Fridays in the world. TGI Fridays franchise wanted more money because of that, and they decided to just drop the name and change it to the original El Montejo. So that is the story. So the house we're about to visit was actually our first house. I don't think I'll shoot in there, but it's in Benito Juarez. So right now in the Benito Juarez area. And like I'm gonna cross the street so you can kind of see some of the houses, but this area is full of amazing houses. You'll see some as I walk back. But we were really fortunate to live like not even a full block from the original El Montejo, and we spent a lot of time there. One of the cool things about Merida pre-pandemic was that restaurants like the original El Montejo had nannies and the dopest play areas that you've ever seen for a kids area. I mean, they'd have, you know, the original Montejo had tablets for kids. They have flat screen TVs, projector rooms, movie theater rooms in there. They also had things like just, you know, kitchens and toys and all sorts of stuff for the kids. We actually became pretty cool. One of the nannies, she babysat for us a couple times, which is cool. So that will be truly missed, because I know that's not happening anytime soon.